Okay guys, this is what you call doing something with absolutely nothing to work with. Long story short, have absolutely zero tools, so we're doing a makeshift. The stereo, every time you hit a bump or make a curve, it goes on and off and clicks and clicks. It's got all this other crap in the back of it. So what we're going to do is see what the previous owner did to it to make it keep disconnecting. It also messes up the power windows when it does that. So sometimes the power windows work, sometimes they don't. So instead of buying a $17 tool to get this panel off, a library card. Now, we got to unhook these two little things here. If we can do it without breaking anything, that is, will be good. And I already see like a ton of wires back here from where they screwed everything up installing it. I don't like to pick on other people's work, but I mean, come on. There's first clip done. I know you can't see any of this. I'll show you what the clips are here in a second. Okay. Right here is where these little guys go, and there's your clips on them. Like I said, I know you can't see back in here. However, we're going to take... Now this is called homemade. It might work, it may not work. I don't know. I found a socket, but I couldn't find the extension to go in it to adapt it. So, these are typical 9/32. Fortunately, we're not very big. And this radio is such junk, it's not even funny. Okay, here comes screw number one. Now, screw number one was to put this stereo in here. But let's be nice because, you know, here I am trying to work on it with no tools at all. So, but when you're driving down the road and you hear 15 minutes of clicking where it's trying to come on, come off, whatever, you try to roll your window down, nothing. Again, junk. Alright. Now, okay, that's what I wanted to see. They tied most everything into the factory wiring harness, so that's not terrible. But why are we losing power all the time? That part I do not know. Because there were so many wires going in here. Okay, what we're going to do is we're just going to re-crimp everything. Because it still has the harness. But I don't know what they did with the factory speaker harness. Best connection ever, but we're going to mash the hell out of it. Do the same thing with the ground. Like I said, this is a conundrum. This is indeed a conundrum. Those jacks are hooked up. That is hooked up. Alright, well, for right now that's all I can do with that. So I'm going to have to get it back inside, jam the wires back down, and hope we can get the screws back in without losing them. That is the key word here, without losing them. Such a junk old stereo. This is like a Pioneer MOSFET 50. It says 50 watts times 4 channels. This does not have 50 watts any more than I've got hair. Okay? And I don't have hair. And of course, the socket's gonna fall off.